ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ फिश प्रोडक्शन. अब फिश का इंडिया में कैसे प्रोडक्शन होता है?
In English.
So firstly we will be going to study about fin fisheries. So what is fin fisheries? Fin fisheries are those type of fishes which are skinny and they have bones in it. And what are shell fisheries? Shell fisheries are they don't have bones, they have a large amount of flesh in itself, like prawns and octopods, etc. So shell fisheries are also classified into two types, that is capture and culture. Capture are those fisheries in which the fishes are in natural waters like rivers, ponds, lakes and etc. that are found in the nearby sites of natural waters. Whereas cultural fisheries, this include the cultures of rearing, feeding of the fishes in it. It includes each step in fishing of rearing, feeding of all kinds of varieties of breeds fishes.
I have one doubt that a shell fishery is also true fishery.
What?
A shell fishes are also true fishes.
True fishes.
Yes.
What are true fishes also known
True
as?
fishes are also known as finned fishes.
No. Now, we can divide capture fishes into three kinds, that is marine, freshwater and brackish water fisheries. In marine fisheries, all the fishes that are related to ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem of water, like all the water bodies are known as marine fisheries. And to do this type of fishing, we require a lot of instruments and we use the sound ecosystem sounds and also use satellites to gain the attraction of fishes to themselves so that they can come within an area to be captured by the fisherman. Secondly, freshwater. As I told that the fishes that are available to us within our water bodies, that fishes are known as freshwater fishes. Now, brackish fishes. Brackish water fishes are those fishes that are found in salty water like estuaries, lagoons and mangrove swamps. These are the three examples in which we can find salty water. Nextly, under this comes aquaculture. Now, what is aquaculture? The word aqua is related to aquatic ecosystem and culture means the fishing which is done through culture. Now, in this we can divide it into two parts, that is mariculture and freshwater culture. Mariculture. Mariculture includes again the use of equipments for the fishing activities, and this includes the feeding like we have done for culture that comes under shell. Now, freshwater culture is again a kind of culture fishing which is done in freshwater bodies, and the excreta which is eliminated by the fishes, that is used as a food for the other fishes in the pond and other water bodies. Nextly, inland. What is inland? The mixture of freshwater fisheries and brackish fisheries comes out to be inland fisheries. In inland fisheries, we have two kind of culture, that is cage culture and integrated fish culture. In cage culture, a kind of cage structure is made through which the fishes enter inside it, and this structure is made through bamboos or any strong material. Next, integrated fish. This integrated fish is again made through a strong structure, but it is not made up of bamboo or it is not in the form of cage, in which the farmers grow the crops inside the water, and the fish enter in that pond or lake, and crops can be any crop like paddy crop, which is mostly used in this kind of fishing. This was all about kinds of fish production. Now, what can we do to prevent fish production? Like in India is a vast country around which we have 70% of water in our country. It is very beneficial to the people living near the coastline. Like in Odisha, in West Bengal, it is a major use through which people carry out their livelihood. And to do this kind of fishing in today's world, many chemicals are inserted in fishes which are very harmful for the human beings before consuming it. By consuming these harmful chemical fishes, human lead into many harmful diseases. So we need to take care that the fishes which we consume are bone, that are fleshful, not bone. They don't have bone in it, because the chemical which is injected, it directly goes to the bone of the fish and gets spreaded out in a very badful manner inside the fish. So avoid using the fishes which have bone in itself.
Here the topic is written types of fish farming. What is the meaning that?
Sir, as I explained, the types of fish farming are cultural breeds and marine fisheries.
Okay, you have explained already.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
मेरा डाउट है कि वो जो केमिकल है वो फिश के अंदर डायरेक्टली कैसे डालना था? हम डायरेक्टली थोड़ी ना फिश के अंदर केमिकल डालते हैं.
Like we spread pollutants in the aquatic regions. Like we throw garbage. Yeah. Even in
फिश जब पानी पिएगी वाला तब उसके
हाँ,
अंदर आएगा डायरेक्ट.
और उसके अंदर भी इंजेक्ट किया जाता है थ्रू इंजेक्शंस. फिशेज आर ऑल्सो इंजेक्टेड बाय केमिकल मेथड्स.
क्यों वो इंजेक्ट किया जाता है उसमें केमिकल? कुछ पर्पस होगा ना, कुछ तो होगा. क्यों?
बस शॉपकीपर्स अपनी बेनिफिट के लिए गंदा सामान बेचते हैं और खुद का प्रॉफिट करते हैं. दैट्स इट.
What is your purpose?
सर मतलब ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए ना.
Come fast.
सर कभी सर मतलब
What are you asking?
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि मतलब डायरेक्टली वाटर में मतलब फिश के अंदर थोड़ी ना मतलब केमिकल डालते हो, तो वाटर में हम ही केमिकल रखते हैं, मतलब गंदे पॉल्यूटेंट्स फेंकते हैं, तो वो जब फिश को पानी को पीती है तब वो अंदर से इन्फेक्टेड हो जाती है.
2 वेज से हो सकता है, जैसे तूने बोला वैसे भी किया जाता है. और
For which topic you are debating, both of you?
सर बोली कि फिश के अंदर डायरेक्ट
केमिकल
खाने से हम भी
इन्फेक्ट हो जाते हैं.
Okay. तो आपने कहा कि जो फिश का केयरिंग करते हैं, रेयरिंग करते हैं, उन लोग इंजेक्ट करवाते हैं.
सर इंजेक्ट नहीं करवाते. जो ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, जो लोग खरीदते हैं फिशिंग, जो भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं फिशिंग का, वो अपने प्रॉफिट के लिए फिश के अंदर केमिकल्स इंजेक्ट करते हैं.
Why?
सर
क्या
ताकि
profit होगा?
सर
की एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ गया उनका ज़्यादा.
सर उनका एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ा, लेकिन जो पॉपुलेशन है उसमें रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन जो वो डिक्रीज हो गया उसको खाने के बाद, वो फिश को.
सर वो नहीं
उससे फिर
होता.
उनका क्या प्रॉफिट है?
सर वो नहीं होता, मतलब वो केमिकल डालते हैं और उनकी जो ग्रोथ है उसको इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, उनका मतलब एग लेइंग उसको इंक्रीज कर देते हैं.
उससे प्रॉफिट होगा ना.
हाँ.
पॉपुलेशन कम होने से इसका क्या प्रॉफिट है? वो तो नुकसान बढ़ जाएगा, बल्कि और उसका
कस्टमर कम हो जाएंगे सर.
What are you saying, dear? You are saying opposite. Okay. Anyone else doubt?
धन्यवाद.